Prophetess.
Yeah, I see light. I see greatness in you. What brings you here?
Mama. Prophetess, this has not been going well for me. I have almost 15 shops in Lagos. 15 shops, but nothing is working.
Nothing is working. Nothing is working, myself.
Every month, this is how I'll be getting like millions of naira. What I'm getting every week is 5,000 naira. It's just one my shop. So, Mama, I want you to talk to the gods. I have what it takes to be a billionaire. Somebody directed me to you.
Yes! This is the right place! That's the right place.
So help me and talk to the gods. So that let me know what I have to do to be a billionaire. All the people that are billionaires, Joey them. I don't know human beings. And I've made it. I have shops. So what can I do to make this money? Talk to the gods. I can open to it.
Yes. Thank you. My son, the gods say you should bring 2 cows, 2 eagles, 2 she-goats, 10 plates of azul. Yes, 4 wraps of shawarma and 2 ice cream.
Jesus is Lord.
Custard ice cream.
Because I'm even hungry. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. But I understand what the gods want, what I have here. The thing is too much on my head now. So I want you to help me and calculate. Tell the gods to calculate the thing because it's too much on my head. How much is the money?
Yes. The God said your money is 450,000.
450,000. If I have 450,000, will I be here?
Will you keep quiet?
It's too much. Okay. Please help me and tell the gods what I have here right now is 5,000 naira.
Okay. The last price, the gods will collect from you 100,000.
The blood of Jesus.
If I have 100,000, I will not be here. I will not have problem now. Talk to the gods. Let the gods understand me. It's not easy. Things are hard. Let me add 2,000 so it's not be as much as 7,000.
The gods you take 30,000.
Because you understand now, things are very, very hard. Let's not be as if I'm too dragging the gods. Because I'm the gods now. Let me add another 2,000. Yeah, Shirike.
The least the gods can do for you is 15,000.
The thing is that you tell the gods that they accepted 15,000. Because the country is hard. So, what I have here, so I will deposit to the gods. It's 5,000.
5,000.
Prophetess.
What's that will do?
Prophetess.
Oh, me want to pay for NEPA lights. My pikin never chop. I got to pay for school fees. You call it and say, you not even happy say from 450,000 to 15,000. You see no see that one pay. Come on, my shop. Come on
things hard.
Come on for here.
Mama, things hard. The gods are doing